Allow your passion to become your purpose, and one day it will become your profession. Our Successful Fijian segment tonight features the owner of Ndivono Creations, Vasiti Andivonokula, who makes and sells jewelry for a living. Andivonokula says if you can have passion, you can make the impossible happen. Sanya Nimboila with the success story.
Leaving school at a Form 4 in 1998 did not deter Vasiti Andivonokula from dreaming big and pursuing her desire to create handmade jewelry.
I was a Form 4 student when I came to Suva for a school break and decided to do some holiday job. I started at a sewing company, and with the good money I have been getting, I don't feel like continuing my studies. I decided to continue with my sewing because I loved it.
Originally from Namborenivalu, Namena in Tailevu, she started by sewing dresses for women in her village. And they started asking for matching earrings and chains, and this is how her handmade jewelry business started.
In 2002, I gave birth to my eldest, and so I decided to stay home with my kids and started my own sewing business, and that's when I established the Ndivono Creations, where I make jewelries, earrings, handmade rings.
The mother of 6 says she loves making jewelry that is unique in the market. This has made her stall quite popular for people who visit the FNPF Plaza.
I love it when people gathered near my table to see the arts and craft I have done, the new designs of rings and chains, and the earrings. It always motivates me to make more jewelry.
Andivonokula has faced financial challenges in trying to establish her business, but her passion has pushed her to new heights.
My passion has drove me this far. I didn't know that I will make orders for prominent ladies. I am now a licensed jewelry maker, and whatever income I generate, I ensure that I use it to my 6 children. I'm also fortunate to have a very supportive husband that helps me a lot.
Her advice: push through the obstacles no matter how difficult.
Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember you have within you the strength, the patience and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world.
Ndivono Creation is well known for its freshwater pearl jewelry and is currently based at the FNPF Plaza in Suva. Sainia Nimboila, FBC News.